Hello everybody, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. Today is the 16th of April and it's arrived. It is Sharon's B cup. Now this cup matches the Easter cup that I've been working on, the egg version. This is the matching one. They come in a pair of two. Now for this unboxing you're going to need probably two tools because the amount of tape on this packaging is, I mean, you probably need a chainsaw to get into it. Like there's so much tape. So I've got a scalpel knife and I've also got a scissors just in case we need them as well. So what we'll do is we'll make a sliding incision in here. And can you believe I'm absolutely shocked? This I know for a fact has just got the cup in it, but I can't believe it. This must be the first package Sharon has not included anything else in a whole year. I can't believe it. It's shocking. I'm only kidding. But yeah, so I cannot tell you how happy I am with this because, yeah, I tried to get this with the range, but yeah, after their game of saying, oh, it's not in stock, I won't be doing click and collect anymore. I've had enough of it. You know, you click and collect it and then they go, oh, it's not available, it's not available. I'm just so fed up with it. So when Sharon said I could have this, I was super happy with this. So yeah, let's try and get this out a bit. Let's try and get this cut down there. And then we can pull that out. Oh, wow, okay. So here's the cup. Oh, look, it's bubbled up. Oh wow, I'm super excited. Whenever I see bubble wrap I love it because I save the bubble wrap. Sometimes I'll try and save it because as a vintage seller myself, I'm what's called a pro seller, so I'm a professional seller, and it always helps out when you've got some bubble wrap that you can recycle and reuse. So you just make a slight incision there. You see, I can now reuse all of this, so that's fantastic. And oh my days, look at that. Oh, look at that. That is stunning, isn't it? Look at that. You're going to have like all these bees and daisies. So this cup matches the egg one that we've been working on. And just to have the set is brilliant. I think that's fantastic. I think when I last saw them in the shop, because I couldn't actually get them in the shop, they were sold out. But I think when we, you know, saw them in the shop, it was just the egg one. But look, that's what it's going to look like. And obviously there's your bits and bobs. These look like very minty colours, so wow. And then obviously if you need to diamond paint, it just tells you how to do it. Looking at that, that's going to be quite a minty vibe, so this looks lovely. So let's get into it. Very happy with that. So yeah, I can't believe. So you must have ordered two, Sharon. It was quite funny because Sharon said something about she had to come all the way home because it was too small. And I sort of thought to myself, well, if it's too small, it would have fitted in, because the small locker is like that. It's like that big, so you can fit it in. So I think what you meant is it was too big to fit in a small locker, because you said it was too small. And I was like, you must mean too big. But anyway, yeah, so you must have ordered two hoping to get the egg and you've ended up with two B cups. But oh look, oh wow, oh Sharon, look, we've got someone's given us a free drill. Look, either that or you've opened it and stuck it on. Wow, that's interesting. Oh wow, I can't believe it. Yeah, wow, free drill there. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm so happy we've got this just in time for Easter. And to be fair with you, you don't really, I mean, this could work in anything because it's not really got Easter eggs on it, so you could do that in anything. But I want to try and get this finished in the Easter theme as well. So as I say, you do get eggs, or you can get the ones with bees and flowers. This looks really lovely. Lots of lovely daisies, and look at that green colour. Let's just pop that back in here for now. But look at this. That, oh, hang on a minute. Let's just put that back on there. I can't believe I've got the set. It's so exciting. I think I'd have to get that strawberry one next. I don't think I've seen any others, but yeah, look, that colour there, that's going to be like, it's almost like the Emerald City from Wizard of Oz, isn't it? That sort of colour. But wow, this is stunning. So we've got green, we've got black, we've got 2 lots of green. Well, that's more mint. Bright yellow, an orange, and a white. Wow. So, I mean, that's quite a massive area to cover with them greens. I just hope we've got enough, because I feel like 2 packs wouldn't be enough to do that. But, oh my God, we've got another one that underneath. But yeah, oh my God, wow. Absolutely stunning. I really like the minty colour of this. And then obviously you've got your boat, wax and pen as well. So what the plan of action is for this is I'm going to pop that back in there for now, and I'm gonna, because what we've got, this is how much I've done on this Lovey the Lamb so far, and we're so close to finishing it. I want to continue the rest of this week on with Lovey the Lamb, and then we'll start next week with doing this cup, and we'll work primarily on the cup and the reef, and trying to get the other, that 20x20 chicken as well. But yeah, I cannot thank you enough, Sharon, for your very kind heart of sending this to me, because I tried twice to get this, because on the click and collect I thought, well, I'll order 2. They're only £1 at the moment, and I thought I'll order 2 because it gives me a better chance of getting the one I want. If you order 1, you're probably going to end up with the same one, whereas if you order 2, you get a little bit more flexibility, and you could end up with a different one, the next one. But to have the set is just brilliant. I think that's fantastic, and can't wait to get into there. But yeah, thanks ever so much for sending that, Sharon. As I say, the range did let me down, but Sharon came to the rescue on that one. So a huge thanks to Sharon for sending me this lovely spring diamond painting cup. And yeah, thanks ever so much, and we will start this from next week. So I'll probably kick this off on Monday actually, and get it flowing. I think the last cup took about 4 sessions, so yeah, I can't wait to get into that. I just love the colour of it. I love this minty vibe. It's just quite a gorgeous colour palette there. And this strip here blends in well with that, whereas the other one was sort of like, was like you could see the seam mark, which was the seam would be this bit here, because it's closes the 2 holes. But yeah, this is, oh, I can't wait to get into that. But yeah, huge thanks for Sharon getting me this gorgeous marker. This is available with the range, currently 99p. I did check the website, and they've completely took off the bags now, so the bags don't look like you're able to get. I believe they've still got the giant rabbit, because Claire told me about that, and that's £4 at the moment, so grab that if you want it. And bizarrely, I've seen that rabbit all year round, so they seem to bring that one out all year, whereas, like, you know, the autumn tree ones, that only comes out in October, which is kind of strange. But anyway, I need to stop talking, because I talk forever. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll put the link in the description of the video if you want to get this. Remember, online it's mix and match. You could end up with any 2 of the designs. Your best option is to go in store while stocks last, if they've still got it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe on the way out of this video, and I'll see you on Monday morning. La 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 la. No, it'll be some point Monday evening when I finish work, and we'll get this all going and get the first stage up. Take care. Bye bye for now.